Dear Evelyn, last week you graduated from high school. You finished strong. You should be really proud of yourself. I know I'm proud of you. But now it's time to get to work in your company. You have the time, talent, and temperament to make this thing a reality. Last week, I shared lesson number 1, which was always be goal-oriented. You found your cake, and you know what success looks like. But lesson number 2 is be grateful. Be grateful because God put you in the greatest country in the history of the world. At various stages in your life, people have always bet on you, and you've always proven them right. And now it's time to bet on yourself. Betting on yourself is the second most American thing you can do. And the first most American thing is laying down your life for the country that you love. Today is Memorial Day, a day we remember those who gave their lives for our country and expected nothing in return. It's such a beautiful idea. And never forget that we can only do what we do because those brave souls did what they did. And if you remember that, no challenge will ever feel too great. I know you'll be successful. You have all the tools you need, and I'm cheering you on. With all my love and gratitude, Dad.